Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AI Creator review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called AI Creator. So this is the AI Creator review, and right now you are not on a sales page. You're looking at this currency graph. This is called forex trading. This is how I make money personally without doing anything, and I record these YouTube videos because I have time. So in case you are interested in using the system yourself and making money on autopilot, because we use a software on this currency graph and that software does the trading on our behalf. Okay, so we'll talk about this system in detail in the end. For now, let's get back to the sales page of AI Creator. And then we have the aggressive discount coupon. So you will get this coupon code again and again. And we have the demo video, which is for 3 minutes long. So we'll start with the demo video. And you will need to have your own domain. You will need to have your own website, your own hosting. And you will, I think you will have to be on WordPress. So this thing you see here, this is, I guess, a plugin. So you will be getting the zip file, I guess. You will have to install that zip file in WordPress as a plugin to use this AI Creator WordPress plugin, right? This is how it works. It's nothing fancy. It's like they have integrated the chat GPT, which is free, with WordPress, and using that you can search some questions here or content. Okay, you click on generate, and then it will give you the content, obviously, and then you can also generate some AI image, and you can use this content as a blog post and publish it on your WordPress website. That's the use of the software. You will have to do it manually as in it's not a lot of work required manually, but you will have to come to the software here and type in a title here, and then click on generate, and then add, adjust if you want to here, add your affiliate links if you want to, add some images and all that. And once you're okay, then you click on create article, and this article will be published on your website. Okay, so who should use this? Newbies should stay away from this. This is something those people should use who wants to make money in the maybe 10 years to come. Okay, websites don't make money in 2023. A lot of people will lie to you about creating blogs, websites. It's all something which you need to do if you don't expect anything in return. So if you want to create some posts, blogs, or you want to write some content, but don't expect anything in return, then yes, you may go and try this. You will have to carry on paying for your hosting and your domain, and keep publishing these posts manually every day, because you will not be able to rank your websites anywhere. There are millions and trillions of websites already on the internet on Google, and your website will rank nowhere, because you know why? Because you do not have any website authority. You don't know anything about SEO, stuff like that. Okay, so if you want to make money online, then I will not recommend you this. This is only for people who want to publish some content on their website without writing it. Then yes, you can go and buy this in 17 or whatever the amount is. We'll check the pricing in a moment. So yes, you can go and buy this and write some content on your website without you having to write the content manually. Okay, and then if your end goal is to make money online, then you have to do what everybody else is doing. Okay, everybody else, including me, is making a review for this software, and if you buy this software from me, from my YouTube video, I make money, you don't. Other YouTubers are giving some bonuses to you. If you buy from them, they make money, you don't. Okay, so in other words, if you're a smart person, then you know very well that by buying AI Creator doesn't make money, but if you sell AI Creator, then you make some commissions. Okay, so everybody out there, by the way, demo is done, so let's get back here. So you have seen the software seems to work, because the software does not have to do anything on its own. All the function, all the content is just being scraped or integrated from chat GPT only. Okay, so that's what it says here. New chat GPT powered software creates 100% done for you and ready to profit affiliate sites with the power of AI. Put the power of AI directly inside your bang websites. Actually, this is what I used to say. Put everything inside your Well, they have said websites. Okay, create your entire affiliate site in just minutes. Use ChatGPT to create all your content. Create AI image right from within your site. Use ChatGPT to rewrite any content. Monetize your entire site in just seconds. Only if the site ranks anywhere. Okay. Now, let's say if you have a website and you are getting some traffic to that website, you have been working on your website for a number of years, but now you're like tired, you don't want to write content every day yourself, or you don't want to pay for writing your content to somebody else. Now, this is the automated way. You can go and publish your websites. You can go and publish the content just by clicking some buttons, and you will get new content every day published on your website. Okay, but again, the point being, in my recommendation, I will never recommend you this method for making money. Okay, you could do this in your free time. I don't know what's going to be your purpose. Why would you do this? That's entirely up to you. But yes, if you ask me, will this thing make money? I will be the last person to go with this method. Okay, so I will not choose this method for making money, because making money has to be very simple, just like recording this YouTube video. Okay, when I'm recording this YouTube video, you are watching this YouTube video, my money is made whether you buy something from me or not, whether you pay me anything or not. Because if you go below my channel here, and you will see the second link, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, this Traffic Jarvis is a YouTube course in which you will learn exactly what I'm doing right now. And because of Traffic Jarvis, your YouTube channel will be monetized. Monetized means then YouTube will be showing some ads, just like you are watching some ads in this video. Okay, so these ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. That is why I said that making money should be such that you do something and you get paid. That's it. So if I'm recording this video, you're watching it, I am being paid. That's it. So you buy or you don't buy, that's something bonus. If you buy from me, it will be a bonus. If you don't buy from me, still you're watching my video, my money is made. Okay, I made this video, I got paid for that. That's it. Okay, that's how I work. I don't work in whims and fantasies. I don't work, this might make money, this could make money, this may make money. I only work with the method which will make money. Okay, so YouTube is such a thing. Other people are making YouTube videos as well, but I make these videos because I don't care about sales. Sales come or don't come, I still make money. Okay, now coming back to the pricing here, it's $17 to start with, and then you can get some discount coupon which will give you, I don't know how much discount coupon you have. Let's see. I don't know. Let me see if I have some coupon code for you here or not. Anyways, when you will click on that pop-up, that you see, when you click here, let me see if I can open it in a new tab, and let's see what will be the final pricing. It will be $12. Okay, so they're desperate to sell you, so they will be giving you a discount of $5, so you can get this in $12, because as I said, this doesn't make money. It only makes some websites, content and everything. Okay, do I need to install anything? All you need to do is simply upload the blah blah plugin. As I told you, you have to upload the zip file to your WordPress. Okay, how many sites can you create? Only one. Do I need to purchase anything else? You will have to have your own domain and hosting with WordPress installed. Okay, it doesn't have to be WordPress hosting. You can have any normal hosting, a shared hosting with cPanel on it, and then you can go in cPanel and you can install the WordPress. Okay, so again, it's not for newbies. If you want to make money online, do something which will make you money online. Okay, this thing will generate the content. If you come and you click on those buttons and you type in a title here, yes, you will get the content. Then you can put in your affiliate links, stuff like that, and then publish. And yes, your articles and everything will be published on your domain, on your website. But when that article will rank, when somebody will come, when somebody will click, when somebody will buy, I don't believe in this method. Your death will come before you first sell. Trust me. Okay, so I will not do this for making money online. But if you have some other plans, if you want to publish content on your website automatically, then maybe yes, you can go and buy this. You have my permission. Okay, but again, if your end goal is to make money online only, then why not? Let's talk about those people who can make real money after watching the video. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here. But if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.